6 months ago, I was paying over $5,000 every single month to a team of 5 people: a copywriter, a social media manager, a graphic designer, a customer support rep, and a virtual assistant. And honestly, I was stressed, overwhelmed, and barely breaking even. Then I discovered 5 AI tools that changed everything. I let my entire team go, and my revenue actually went up by 30%. Today I'm going to show you exactly which tools I used, how I set them up, and how you can do the same thing starting today.
Welcome back to AI Workflow Pro. I'm your host, and if you're new here, we cover the best AI tools and automation strategies to help you work smarter, not harder. Now, before you think this is some clickbait story, let me be real with you. I'm not saying AI is perfect, and I'm not saying you should fire everyone tomorrow. What I am saying is that for solopreneurs, small business owners, and freelancers, these 5 tools can genuinely replace the most expensive parts of your team. Here's what we're covering today. Jasper AI for copywriting, Copy.ai for marketing content, ChatGPT for customer support and operations, Runway ML for video and motion graphics, and Make.com for full business automation. I'll show you real examples, real pricing, and exactly how I use each one. Make sure you stick around to the end. I'll tell you which tool to start with based on your specific situation, and there's a poll in the description where you can vote.
Let me give you some context on why this matters so much right now. The average small business owner spends between $3,000 and $8,000 per month on human labor for tasks that are largely repetitive and content-based. We're talking about writing emails, creating social posts, designing graphics, answering customer questions, and managing workflows. AI tools have reached a tipping point. They're no longer experimental toys. They're production-ready systems that can handle 80 to 90% of these tasks with minimal supervision. And the cost? We're talking about a few $100s per month total, compared to thousands. The key insight here is this. You're not replacing creativity or strategy. You're replacing repetition. And that's where the real savings are. Tool number 1, Jasper AI, your AI copywriter. I used to pay my copywriter $2,500 a month. She was great, but she could only produce so much content. Jasper AI replaced her output, and then some. Here's how I use it. I go to Jasper.ai, open the Boss Mode editor, and I give it a brief. For example, write a 500-word blog post about the top productivity hacks for entrepreneurs in 2024, in a conversational tone, targeting keywords, productivity tools, time management, entrepreneur tips. Within 60 seconds, I have a full draft. Is it perfect? No, but it's 80% there. I spend 10 minutes editing, and I have a polished piece of content. What used to take my copywriter 3 hours now takes me 15 minutes. Jasper costs $69 per month for the creator plan, or $125 for the team's plan. Compare that to $2,500 for a human copywriter. The math is obvious. Tool number 2, Copy.ai, marketing content at scale. While Jasper is great for long-form content, Copy.ai is my go-to for short-form marketing copy. Social media captions, email subject lines, ad copy, product descriptions. Copy.ai handles all of it. My social media manager used to cost me $800 a month. Now I use Copy.ai's workflow feature to generate an entire month of social content in about 2 hours. Here's my exact process. I'll go to Copy.ai, click on Workflows, and select the social media content calendar template. I input my brand voice, my key topics for the month, and my target audience. Copy.ai generates 30 days of posts across LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, all in one go. The free plan gives you 2,000 words per month. The pro plan is $36 per month. For what it replaces, that's an absolute steal. Tool number 3, ChatGPT, customer support and operations. This one surprised me the most. I had a customer support rep costing me $1,200 a month. I replaced her with a custom ChatGPT setup, and my customer satisfaction scores actually went up. Here's how I did it. I created a custom GPT. You can do this with a ChatGPT Plus subscription at $20 a month. I uploaded my entire FAQ document, my product information, my refund policy, and my brand voice guidelines. Then I set up a system prompt that tells ChatGPT to always be helpful, professional, and to escalate complex issues to me directly. I embedded this custom GPT on my website using a simple chat widget. Now it handles about 90% of customer inquiries automatically, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The 10% it can't handle gets flagged for me to review, usually just a few messages per day. The result? Faster response times, consistent answers, and $1,200 back in my pocket every month. Tool number 4, Runway ML, Video and Motion Graphics. My graphic designer was costing me $1,000 a month, mostly for social media graphics and short video clips. Runway ML changed that completely. Runway ML is an AI video and image generation platform. I use it for two main things: generating B-roll footage for my YouTube videos and creating animated graphics for social media. For B-roll, I type a description like professional entrepreneur working on laptop in modern office, cinematic lighting, 4K quality, and Runway generates a 4-second video clip. I can create dozens of these in an hour. For social graphics, I use the image generation feature combined with their motion brush tool to add subtle animations. The results look completely professional. Runway ML starts at $15 per month for the standard plan. That's a 98% reduction in my design costs. Tool number 5, Make.com, full business automation. This is the glue that holds everything together. Make.com, formerly known as Integromat, is an automation platform that connects all your apps and tools without any coding. My virtual assistant used to cost me $500 a month, mostly for repetitive tasks: moving data between spreadsheets, sending follow-up emails, posting content to social media, and generating weekly reports. Make.com automates all of that. Here's one of my favorite workflows. When someone fills out my lead capture form, Make.com automatically adds them to my email list in MailChimp, sends them a welcome email via Gmail, creates a task in my project management tool, and logs the lead in my Google Sheet, all within seconds, completely automatically. I have over 20 automations running right now. They save me approximately 15 hours per week. The Pro plan is $16 per month. My virtual assistant was $500. You do the math.
Now, let me give you 3 advanced tips that took me months to figure out. Tip 1. Stack the tools together. The real power comes when you connect them. For example, Copy.ai generates my social media captions, Make.com automatically posts them at optimal times, and ChatGPT handles any comments or DMs that come in. That's a fully automated social media operation. Tip 2. Always maintain a human review layer. I spend about 30 minutes each morning reviewing what the AI produced overnight. This catches any errors before they go public and keeps the quality high. Don't go fully hands-off. Stay in the loop. Tip 3. AI tools with your brand voice. Every tool I mentioned allows you to input examples of your writing style, your tone, and your brand guidelines. The more you train them, the better the output. Spend 2 hours up front creating a detailed brand voice document and upload it to every tool. You'll get dramatically better results. Let me show you the actual numbers. Before switching to AI tools, my monthly team costs were Copywriter $2,500, Social Media Manager $800, Graphic Designer $1,000, Customer Support $1,200, Virtual Assistant $500. Total $6,000 per month. After switching, Jasper $69, Copy.ai $36, ChatGPT Plus $20, Runway ML $15, Make.com $16, total $156 per month. That's a savings of $5,844 every single month. And because I eliminated the bottlenecks and delays that come with managing a team, my content output actually tripled. More content means more traffic, more leads, and yes, more revenue. My revenue went up 30% in the first 3 months after making this switch. I'm not saying that will happen for everyone, but the cost savings alone are transformative. Now here's what I want you to do. I've put a poll in the description below. Vote for which tool you want to start with first. Based on the results, I'll create a deep dive tutorial on the most popular choice next week. If you found this video valuable, please hit that subscribe button right now. We post 3 AI tool videos every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 tools are you most excited to try? I read every single comment and I'll personally reply to as many as I can. That's it for today's video. 5 AI tools, $5,000 saved every month, and a business that runs more efficiently than ever. The AI revolution is happening right now. The question is whether you're going to take advantage of it or get left behind. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep automating, keep growing, and I'll catch you on the next one.